which is the land of pastimes of God, where God performed pastimes, but yet this place is extremely important. Very, very important place. Baladev Prabhu here in form of Sheshnag he came manifested, and he is holding the whole universe on his head. His Baladev Tattva is extremely important Tattva to understand, but in scriptures it is said also Balahinana. If we don't have power, we cannot do anything at all. Like if we don't have power in our legs, we can't walk. If eye is powerless, then we cannot see. If there is no power of sight in the eyes, we cannot see anything. For this regard, our acharyas are explaining the importance of having the power. For this regard, Baladev Prabhu is giving us power. Balahinana. A powerless person cannot attain anything. In reality, all this power comes from where? From Baladev Prabhu. The transcendental power. If we have material power, we can do material things, attain material things, like power of money, power of fame. So if someone is rich, then they have dhanabal, power of having money. A king has power of the people, so he is power of citizens, meaning Shaina Samanta. They have many followers they have. What I'm trying to say is that the power is the main thing. That's why in scriptures it is said Balahinana. A powerless person cannot attain anything at all. In the same way, in the transcendental world, in spiritual life, you need transcendental power. Then we can do bhajan of God. In reality, the presiding deities of this transcendental power is Baladev Prabhu, Balaram. Our acharyas, they said, Krishna is Sachidanand, Satchit Anandamai Krishna. The word Sat means Satta. Presiding deities of Satta is Baladev Prabhu. Chitta means knowledge, means the presiding deities is Krishna. And presiding deities of Anand is Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Krishna is one, but yet he manifests many forms. So you get Chatta Shakta. Jiva Goswami Pad is explaining Ekameva Paramatattva, the only one supreme Tattva, and that is Krishna. Ishwara Paramakrishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadira Govinda Sarva Karan Karanam. One Tattva is manifesting in four forms. One is himself in the Brajendrandan Shyamsundar, and in his manifestation also Baladev Prabhu. Krishna, he manifests himself in form of Baladev Prabhu, and he's teaching to us that how to serve Krishna. Because we don't know how to serve God, we are conditioned. Conditioned souls, they don't even know about God. So Krishna manifests form of Baladev Prabhu, and he teaches to us how to serve God. He's teaching to us while practicing himself, and he's showing to us. So Baladev Prabhu and Krishna are non-different to each other. Same Tattva. Understand? That's why it is said Baladev and Krishna are non-different from each other. Those who think they are different, they are offenders. So Baladev Prabhu, Krishna,
बलदेव प्रभु के रूप में आकर के हमें
came in form of Baldev Prabhu and is teaching how to serve,
विशेष करके 10 रूप में
especially in manifesting 10 forms, and he's serving Krishna in 10 major ways. He's serving doing many services actually, but yet in scriptures are saying there are 10 major services that he is doing. Asan Vasan Bhushan, Padan. He is the footwear of Krishna, Asan of Krishna, even the clothes of Krishna, even the sacred thread of Krishna, even the yellow golden clothes of Krishna. Everything is Baldev Prabhu. When he tried to kill Bhishma Pitama, Krishna, he picked up the wheel of a chariot and he was running towards Bhishma Pitama, who was there to protect. Krishna said that he took a vow that I will be the chariot driver of Arjun. I will only drive the chariot of Arjun and I will not pick up any weapon on the battlefield. He took a vow. At that time Bhishma Pitama said, if I am the son of my father Shantanu, then I take a vow that I will make you pick up a weapon. And at that time, in the battle of Kurukshetra, Arjun and Bhishma Pitama, they started to fight. Arjun was being defeated. And God declared, Arjun, you are the best. So I will establish that you are the best warrior. So God is saying in Gita, Arjun, you say this, my devotees will never
भगवान के गीता की वचन है.
This is about God's Gita.
किंतु भीष्म पितामह
But Bhishma Pitama also said that if I am the son of Shantanu, then I will make sure you pick up weapon on the battlefield. Baladev Prabhu. When Bhishma Pitama and Arjun started to fight, Arjun was being defeated. So God was thinking, I will be embarrassed. Like people won't have joke on me. Like there you said that Arjun will be the best warrior. No one can defeat my devotee, you declared. But now he will, if Arjun get defeated, then people will joke about it. So for this regard, Krishna, he became so angry when Arjun was about to be defeated, meaning Bhishma Pitama was with the rain of his arrows. All the arrows were pierced through the body. Bhishma Pitama glorifying so nicely. Bhishma Pitama said, he said, on the chest of Krishna, this is not blood. This is the kumkum that Srimati Radhika posted on her chest. Yeah, such beautiful glorification is coming in Srimad Bhagavatam. Glorification of Bhishma Pitama is like this. Gopinang Putagumbinam. Like this, so beautiful explanation is coming. Because Bhishma Pitama, he shot arrows and the chariot was about to fall down. Arjun was about to be defeated. And Bhishma Pitama arrow were so sharp and fast, and it was not possible for Arjun to tolerate those. So Krishna made the chariot jump, and when he made the chariot jump, instead of hitting the Arjun's chest, the arrow hit Krishna's chest, and God's chest started to bleed, and the blood was coming out. After seeing that blood, Bhishma Pitama is glorifying, oh, this is not blood, this is the kumkum that is that gopis wear on their chest. This is the red powder. So, but yet Bhishma Pitama, he was keep on firing arrows. In the end, he saw Arjun is about to be defeated. That time Krishna, to stop Bhishma from fighting, what did he do? He jumped off from the chariot and he broke the wheel of the chariot and lifted it up like Sudarshan Chakra, and he started with that wheel, he started to run towards Bhishma Pitama. After seeing that, Bhishma Pitama is glorifying. He said, I won, you lost, because I made you pick up weapon. I made a vow that I will make sure you pick up the weapon in the battlefield, and you did now. All this katha very beautiful, it is coming like this.
और इसमें हमारे टीकाकार
And commentators in the scriptures, they explain that the time when
भीष्म एक कृष्ण एक अत्यंत क्रोधित होकर के गुस्से
Krishna,
से
when with so much
पितामह
anger,
को दौड़ रहे हैं
is running towards
और
Vishnu
रथ के
Pitama,
पहिया को जो है अपने हाथ में लेकर
holding the wheel of the chariot, and he's running towards
तो उस
Bhishma.
समय
At that
पृथ्वी
time,
मानो उछलने वाली
the
थी।
earth was
भगवान
about to tremble.
तो
Earth
उस
was
समय
trembling because God
कृष्ण
is
के
very
पिताम्बर
angry,
जो है,
because the Pitambar of Krishna started to fall down, and that Pitambar was Baldev Prabhu,
मैंने कहा
no one
कृष्ण
else.
की जो वस्त्र
I
आदि
told you the
अलंकार
clothes, jewelry, everything of Krishna is Baladev Prabhu.
है बने हुए। इसलिए कृष्ण की जो
So
पिताम्बर जब गिरने
when the
लगे,
yellow clothes started to fall down from Krishna when he was running,
साक्षात
Baladev Prabhu,
जो है
he put weight on earth, so otherwise the earth was moving like a football. So Baldev Prabhu holded the earth in form of clothes that fell down on the ground. So Baldev Prabhu is doing so many services. This is my point. Atan Vasan Bhushan, jewelry, footwear of Krishna, clothes of Krishna, asan of Krishna, even the sacred thread of Krishna, that is also manifestation of Baldev Prabhu. But this regard Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying Baldev Prabhu is serving Krishna like this in 5 forms, in 4 forms.
चार स्वरूप में सृष्टि कार्य में सेवा आदि करते थे।
He's serving,
रसम रूप में सेवा आदि करते थे। और विशेष करके
and
शेष
especially
रूप में जो है ये
in
ब्रह्मांड
Shesh Roop he is holding the whole universe.
बलदेव प्रभु के
Baldev Prabhu,
सेवा की महिमा
his glories of service are unique and
जो
unparalleled.
सृष्टि कार्य आदि जो कौन करते हैं?
Who is creating,
बलदेव प्रभु
who is holding this world, maintaining the world. Baldev Prabhu is manifesting in form of Sankarshan,
मूल संकर्षण,
Mool Sankarshan,
महासंकर्षण,
Sankarshan, Mool Sankarshan, then
Karodakshai,
Garodakshai, and Chirodakshai,
और अंत में
and at the end, Shesh. So in all forms he is manifesting and maintaining everything.
ब्रह्मांड एक नहीं,
Not one,
अनंत करोड़
trillions, zillions of universes he is holding on his wings, on his head. We are here to take darshan of him.
कोई नहीं वैसा बलदेव प्रभु।
That is Baldev Prabhu.
बलदेव प्रभु जो है
Baldev Prabhu.
अनंत करोड़ ब्रह्मांड के जो अपने
He is holding infinite amounts of universes on his head. For this regard, we are here to seek his mercy.
और कृष्ण के लीला में
And in
और
Krishna's
कृष्ण के
pastime,
अवतार लीला
all the
में
incarnation of Krishna,
बलदेव प्रभु किसी न किसी
Baldev
प्रकार
Prabhu
से
is
उनकी
serving Krishna in one way or the other.
जैसे राम अवतार
Like in Ram incarnation,
है, लक्ष्मण के रूप में
in form of Lakshman he came and served so much.
सेवक कैसे कहा जाता है?
And he defined what the sevak means. The service of Lakshman is unique and unparalleled.
सब कुछ भगवान राम
Everything he surrendered to the lotus feet of Ramchandra.
सेवक उसकी कहा।
That is the definition of sevak also.
निष्कपट कैसे सेवक?
Without hypocrisy, duplicity, how to serve, he is teaching to us.
बलदेव प्रभु के कृपा
Baladev,
से
only
आप
by the mercy of
समझाएंगे
Baladev Prabhu we can understand that how to serve God.
रस विचार में भी दिखा
In Rasa Vichar also coming,
है, राहल के भी
Baladev Prabhu
है, अनंग
in form of Anang Mantri serving to Srimati Radhika.
ये सब सेवा के प्रकाश में दिखा।
So he is teaching how to serve. That how to serve God he is teaching to us in mood of servant, in Vatsalya, in all kind of moods he is teaching to us.
बलदेव प्रभु
In all moods, Baladev Prabhu is serving the divine conjugal couple.
है, गौरी वैष्णव की आराध्य देव तो श्रीमती
The worshipable of Gauri Vaishnava is Srimati Radhika.
हमारे आराध्य देव कृष्ण नहीं है।
And it's not Krishna.
भी महाप्रभु
Our worshipable Mahaprabhu is saying, Aradho Bhagwan Brajentane.
धाम वृंदावन रम्मा काजी उपासना ब्रजबधु वर्णन जल चिता। श्रीमद्
In
भागवतम
Srimad Bhagavatam, giving evidence.
श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु मतमिदं तत्रादि। ये तो महाप्रभु के विचार है। आराध्य भगवान ब्रज से हमारे आराध्य देव कौन है?
Who is our worshipable? Bhajan Shyam Sundar Krishna.
आराध्य भगवान पद्धाम वृंदावन, उनके अपराकृत धाम वृंदावन धाम।
Transcendental world Vrindavan. And that the gopis, how are they serving?
ब्रजबधु वर्णन जल चिता। यहाँ पर ब्रजबधु का
Brajavadhu,
विवाहित
meaning the married gopis.
वास्तव में बहुत कुछ एक होता है नवोड़ा पड़ोड़ा है बूढ़ा, ये सब बना।
All this explanation is coming.
जो अभी अभी विवाह करके आई है।
Navada means newlywed woman. Navada.
संस्कृत होता है नवोड़ा का,
Navada.
परोड़ा,
Paroda.
परोड़ा किसी का जो दूसरे की
Paroda means
पत्नी जो है
wife of others.
और विवाहित जो है उसे कहा जाता है परोड़ा का।
Paroda.
ये सब तो जो शास्त्र में
So all these words are explained in scriptures.
देखो बलदेव
But
प्रभु
Baladev Prabhu
रस विचार में
in Rasa Vichar, how beautifully he is serving. For this regard, Baladev Prabhu Krishna is non-different. So Baladev Prabhu did Rasa also.
रामघाट में जाते
We go to Ramghat. There we listen to Katha Baladev Prabhu with gopis.
रास विहार आदि श्रीमद् भागवत में भी
In Srimad Bhagavat, it is explained in the Madhumas.
चैत और वैशाख मास के कहते हैं मधुमास का
The Chait and Vaishak month is called Vaishak.
वैशाख
Chait and Vaishak, the
मधुमास का
Madhumas, the sweet months. In these months, Baladev Prabhu
वहीं पर गोपियों के साथ
with gopis is performing ras.
भागवत में तो
In Srimad Bhagavat in 10th canto it is explained.
लोग कहते हैं
Many people they say, where is the explanation of Baladev Prabhu's ras? In Srimad Bhagavat evidence is coming
कि बलदेव प्रभु द्वारका
that Baladev Prabhu came from Dwarka
वो विरह का गोपियों की सांत्वना देने के लिए
and to pacify the gopis in Ramaghat he
रास
performed rasa dance.
ये सब बलदेव प्रभु के विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
The special,
बलदेव प्रभु के जब
this is the speciality of Baladev Prabhu. Without his mercy, we can never enter the path of bhakti.
क्या रस विचार में क्या तत्व विचार में
वो rasa vichar, tattva vichar.
ये कहते हैं एक अनुभव परमात्मा
That's why
स्वाभाविक अचिंत सत्ता स्वयं भगवान अपने स्वाभाविक अचिंत शक्ति के
God with his inconceivable potency
अनेक रूप में प्रकट
is manifesting many forms.
रामादि मूर्ति सुकला नियमन तिष्ठन नाना अवतार मुकुरु धुनेषु कीर्ति कृष्ण संग अवत परम पुमान गोविंदम आदि भूषण हम तमाम भजामि स्वयं ब्रह्मा जी का
Brahma ji is saying,
ये बलदेव प्रभु जानी
and Baladev Prabhu meaning that same Krishna
सेवा की पराकाष्ठा
express, he is teaching to Krishna in form of Baladev Prabhu is teaching us how to serve. So Baladev Prabhu is here very beautiful in form of Sheshnag, he is manifesting here. Here it is said that
बलदेव प्रभु जानी ये
Baladev Prabhu meaning is the Sheshnag. He comes here, the snake comes, the room is, this temple door is locked. When before we came it was open. There is a hole in it that is going into deep in the mountains, to the ground, to the bottom of the ground.
बड़े छोटे सा पत्थर लेकर लोग कहते हैं जैसे
People say on special days,
सावन महीने में जो है
especially during the monsoon,
यहाँ पर मेला लगता है
there is a
उसी गड्ढे से जो है
festival around here and a huge snake, Sheshnag, comes from that hole.
लोग सोचते हैं साधारण सा
People think this is an ordinary snake. No, it's not ordinary. I'm telling you, it is Sheshnag actually.
इसका आप चित्रपट भी देख
The picture you are seeing inside is the picture of Sheshnag.
है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण
Very important place this is.
कितनी सुंदर दिव्य स्थान
Very nice, beautiful place it is.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
For this
सृष्टि कार्य
regard,
में बलदेव प्रभु की भूमिका भी है
maintaining, creating everything is done by Baladev Prabhu of the universes. In Rasa Madhurya also, Baladev Prabhu is serving many ways. That's why we need mercy of Baladev Prabhu.
एक तत्व विचार में बलदेव प्रभु के
In Tattva Vichar, Baladev Prabhu is Guru.
और रस विचार में
And in Rasa Vichar, Srimati Radhika's Guru. As per the perspective of Rasa, Krishna is saying Radhika is the Prem Guru and I am her disciple.
में नाचाए
And her prema makes me dance.
कृष्ण कहते हैं
Krishna is
हमारे
saying,
प्रेम गुरु कौन है
who is my Prem Guru, Srimati Radhika.
मुझे वंशी वादन करने की
She teaches me how to play the flute.
है आज
Understand? That's why in Hindi it is said, Gopis, they stole the flute of Krishna.
कृष्ण गोचारण
Krishna,
जब समाप्त हो गया
the cow herding finished, now he wanted to go back to the house and he saw, where is my flute?
वंशी कहाँ चला गया
And he was wondering, where is my flute? Without the flute,
सारे गाय भी इकट्ठा कर नहीं पाए
Krishna cannot collect all the cows.
इसलिए कृष्ण
He could not call to any cow. So he was thinking, where is my flute? I have to call the cows.
पता चला कृष्ण की
He found out that gopis have stolen the flute of Krishna.
देखो उसमें एक संत
Then Krishna also
राधा जी की कार्य गोपियों
saying to Srimati Radhika Gopis,
वंशी हमारा
oh please give my flute back.
देखो बिना वंशी से मैं कैसे जाऊं
How will I live without my flute? How will I call out to my cows and calves? In that beautiful Kirtani they explain, gopis are saying,
मुख से
from your mouth,
मुख मुख से तुम
You can
कीर्तन करो, हाथ में ताली बजाओ।
clap and do kirtan. You clap your hands and do kirtan.
अरे लुकुटी के द्वारा तुम गायों के जो इकट्ठा करो, बंसी की क्या जरूरत?
No need flute to call out the cows.
गोपियों
You clap your hands and call your cows.
दे दो डारो।
Krishna is saying, no, please give my flute. Very beautiful kirtan it is. Oh, my beloved Srimati Radhike, please give my flute back. Beautiful kirtan this is. Krishna said,
मुरली जो है बंसी जो मेरा
this flute is my heart.
देखो।
See, so beautiful
आज
kirtan.
ये कथा में सुंदर लीला भी है।
So beautiful pastime this is. When the gopis, they stole the flute of Krishna. So
कृष्णा भी कम नहीं है।
Krishna is also very smart.
गोपी के साथ जब एकांत में मिले,
When he met with the gopis alone, he was talking,
ये मुद्रिका जो है,
and he took the ring of Srimati Radhika.
अभी राधा जी भी
Now Srimati Radhika has to go back to Yavat also. She saw my ring's missing.
मुद्रिका नहीं। और ऐसे
And
मुद्रिका
then
नहीं हो तो जटिला कुटिला उनको
if she is not wearing the ring, then Jatila and Kutila will chastise to her, oh, where is your ring?
विवाह के समय
At the time of marriage, the ring is given, right? During ring ceremony. Hey, did you get married or not? Did you put a ring in your wife or not? So they put the ring in the hand, right? Fingers.
देखो अब ये मुद्रिका है नहीं।
So now the ring was missing. So Srimati Radhika became afraid that Jatila Kutila chastised to me. So Srimati Radhika was thinking what to do now. Where is the ring? Where is the ring?
किसके पास है?
But that ring was with
कृष्ण।
Krishna.
कृष्ण चली।
Krishna stole it.
गोपियां भी कम नहीं है।
Gopis are also very smart. He said, we'll steal his flute, no problem. So gopis with so much love and affection, they were talking with Krishna. Then Krishna came.
इसमें भी कथा भी बहुत सुंदर।
Katha is so beautiful, this one.
मंगल ने कहा
Madhumangal said, look,
गोपी समाज के
today
उधर होते मैं जा रहा था।
I was going through nearby to the passing through nearby the gopis, and gopis took a decision that today they will steal your flute. Madhumangal told this.
उस कथा सुन के कृष्ण
After hearing that, Krishna said, Madhumangal, tell me
कैसे रक्षा किया
how to protect my flute.
है? ऐसे।
So
मधुमंगल
Madhumangal said, look, I know some mantra, tantra, black magic kind of things. I will do something, no one will steal your flute. Madhumangal said.
तुम मंत्र संत्र जानते हो ना?
Krishna said, do you know this kind of black magic? He said, yes.
ब्रह्मचारी है।
My Gurudev is proper sannyasi. He taught me everything. I took mantra from such a guru. He taught me everything.
मैं
I can protect anything I want. So
और तुम्हारे मंत्र के ये दिखाओ प्रभाव दिखाओ।
show me the power of your mantra, then I will believe. Krishna is saying to Madhumangal.
मधुमंगल
He said, Madhumangal,
तुम जो मंत्र जानते हो बात जो
the mantra kind of black magic that you know, the magic that you know, show it to me.
तो मेरा विश्वास हो।
Then I will believe you. Otherwise gopis will take away my flute. What will you do?
क्या मधुमंगल के मैं मंत्र तंत्र
Because Madhumangal said, I will protect your flute with mantras.
तो कृष्ण कहे तुम जो मंत्र
Krishna is saying, the mantras that you know, show me the power. I want to see.
तब मेरा विश्वास होगा।
Then I will believe.
मधुमंगल कहने लगे
Madhumangal said,
ये तो साज सरल है।
It's easy.
तुम्हारे वंशी को मुझे दे दो,
just you give me your flute,
मैं तुमको परीक्षा कर दिखा दूं।
I will show you.
तो क्योंकि सारे मंत्र तंत्र की
Because
इसमें है।
the source and root of all mantras is in this flute. So give me this flute.
पता नहीं है वंशी
You
तुम
don't
जानते
know.
हो।
You play the flute and you do many things. You don't know what is in the flute. I know what is inside this flute. So Madhumangal was saying like this. And he said, okay, take this flute and show me the power of mantra. Madhumangal said,
तो देख रहे हो क्या?
you are seeing the power of my mantra. The flute that you don't leave for 1 second, now it's in my hand. This is the power of my magic. See,
सोचते नहीं हो, मैंने ऐसे
just I spoke something and now you gave me this flute to me. See, this is magic or not?
मधुमंगल कहने
Madhumangal said this. See, you see my power.
मैं ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं hypnotize।
I just hypnotize you. Go, I take your
अरे
flute.
मैंने hypnotize कर लिया ना।
I hypnotize you. See, I can even hypnotize you. Gopis cannot take flute from you. Krishna said, oh, true, very nice.
तुम्हारे वंशी में अच्छा
Then okay.
मधुमंगल के पास अभी क्या है कृष्ण के
Now Madhumangal has Krishna's flute.
से जा रही थी।
Gopis was passing from nearby.
सुनने लगी।
She was also hearing over everything. She knew that the flute was with Madhumangal.
गोपियां मन मन
Now gopis were thinking,
के पास वंशी तो नहीं है।
now Krishna does not have the flute. No benefit of meeting with Krishna. So for this regard, let's
है, पक्षी को जैसे पकड़ने के
like
लिए
to catch a bird, you have to
ये
put some seeds to catch. So we have to put a bait for him. So we put a bait for Madhumangal. He's a big foodie, right?
इसलिए
He's fat foodie. So let's do one thing. We call to him Madhumangal. We say, Madhumangal, listen, we have cooked delicious laddus try these.
ठीक उसे मधुमंगल के
Then Madhu Mangal, he saw the laddu and Madhu Mangal started to, he went and came near the gopis.
गोपियां के पता है तो ये
Gopis know that
बंसी किसके पास
Krishna's flute is with Madhu Mangal. Okay, then
है गोपियां कहने लगी
Gopi said
खिलाया
they gave laddu to him.
कहने लगे मधुमंगल
Then
एक काम कर
he said, Madhu Mangal, do one thing.
तो अच्छा नृत्य करते हो ना
You are a very nice dancer.
खिलाना है तो उसे
If
जलगान करो
glorify someone if you want to take something from someone. So in the same way, Gopi started to glorify Madhu Mangal. Then Gopi said, oh Madhu Mangal, you are the best of dancer. Please
तू एक गोपी बन जा
become a gopi. Let's dance together.
तू एक गोपी बन
You become a gopi
हम लोग रास करेंगे
and we will do ras.
मधुमंगल बोले,
Madhu Mangal said, oh, okay, I am a good dancer. Indeed. But I don't have the clothes to wear. The sari.
लहंगा तो है
I don't have sari. This Gopi said, I will give you lehenga. Take this lehenga.
मधुमंगल तो कभी तो लहंगा तो पहने ही नहीं
Madhu Mangal never he wore a lehenga before.
क्या बोले
It's a traditional dress of gopis. So Gopi's lehenga,
इतना बड़ा था
it was so big.
मधुमंगल को पता नहीं
Madhu Mangal did not know that how to put leg inside that dress. It was so big.
जो वो होता है ना क्या बोलते हैं
It's like a big pillow cover. He did not even could not find out where to put his legs through in that dress. With his both legs, he put in the one side of the kind of the dress. So like two legs went to separately, but he put everything in one.
तो था ना
So the lehenga, the traditional dress of the gopis, it was so big.
वो तो गोपियां पहले से प्लान करके रखा
Gopis, they planned everything priorly, right? So they gave a very big lehenga to him. So on one side he put one leg, on other side he put another leg, just like he put in the pants. So Madhu Mangal was thinking it's so big, so maybe two legs are meant to go inside this one area. So he put both of his legs in one side of the lehenga, and other side was
क्या बोलता है कपड़ा जैसे लटक
the other side the cloth was hanging of the remaining part of the lehenga. Gopi said, you don't know how to put lehenga, how will you do ras?
अरे देख
You can't even dress up.
पुरुष जाती है हम
Then Madhu Mangal said, I am a man, I don't know how to do this. You
पता है हमें पता
you people wear lehenga, I don't know.
बड़ा है
It's so big. It maybe it's like a huge pillow cover, I don't even know.
कमर के जो है ना वो होता है मैंने इसे दिखा दी
So
अरे नहीं नहीं
he said, Gopi said, no, I will make you dress up properly. Don't worry. Gopis were so sweetly, politely while speaking. The flute that Madhu Mangal had in his bag. Then Gopis, they slowly they took it out from Madhu Mangal's bag and they passed through one gopi to other gopi to other gopi, and that flute slowly reached to Srimati Radhika. Those who are thieves, they have a gang, like a gang. They will steal phone from you, hand over to someone else. Then third, fourth one, they will pass through your phone, and 1 kilometer far away your phone will reach quickly. In the same way, the gopis stole in the gang. And we don't have, why are you beating me? People were thinking, oh, he's a thief. Then where is the phone? Everybody show. In Govardhan Parikrama we do. Some gang thieves are there. They steal your phone. Our Western devotee was there, and he had iPad. He had an iPad. And but the location can be tracked in the Find My Phone GPS. See, within half an hour, that iPad reached Mathura. Within half an hour. 1 hour, it traveled so far. Because they have gang. They quickly transported it. But they cannot use it. They were thinking this is good iPad. When the person was caught, police came and he was punished. Gopi said, Madhu Mangal, you don't know how to dress this up? Lehenga, how will you do us? Go, get lost. Get away from here. Because what they wanted, they took already. They wanted the flute. Now they kicked Madhu Mangal out. And they gave 2 more laddus. Look, take this and run away. Here, get out from here. Madhu Mangal came. When he came to Krishna, Krishna said, Madhu Mangal, all good? You have the flute, right? Yes, I have. He said, Arey, gopis, they cannot steal anything from me. The women are brainless. They cannot steal anything from me. I put flute in corner of my bag. Gopis won't even find. Can never in their life they can find. And Krishna asked, where is the flute? Madhumangal, he put his hand in this bag over, and you're like, oh my God, big problem. Krishna said,
मंत्र क्या बोले?
your mantra, what did it what? Madhumangal said, these gopis, they completely destroyed my mantra, my power. Oh my God, these gopis are crazy. By associating with them, my mantra did not work.
ये स्त्री जाति बात है.
These gopis, these women are very, very smart. I went with them.
हमारे जासू होकर मैं चला गया था.
As your spy, I went.
हैं?
I went as your spy to them.
जासू समझते हो?
Spy.
हरिदास स्पाई. तुम्हारे स्पाई होकर के गोपियों के पास चला गया था.
I went to the gopis. And gopis, I don't know. They destroyed my power of my mantra, and the gopis stole it.
कृष्ण बोले आप
Krishna said, now without flute, what to do? Krishna started to cry.
हैं? अरे बताओ अभी क्या
Oh Madhumangal, what to do now? Without flute,
हम कैसे चलें?
how can we do cow herding? How can we do anything at all?
कहने लगे,
Then Subal said,
देखो
look,
कन्हैया एक काम कर तुम्हारी
Krishna, do one thing.
सुबल सुबल बुद्धिमान है ना?
Subal is very smart, right? He's very intelligent. He's even more smart than Subal is very smart than Madhumangal. Subal said, do one thing.
तू एक गोपी के रूप धारण कर.
Manifest form of gopi.
और गोपी के साड़ी पहन करके
And wearing that,
आ रही है ना?
gopis are coming.
और आकर के वहीं पर लोट पोट खाते रहने.
Just gopis are coming just to roll down on the ground. Oh gopis, you take darshan of Krishna.
कृष्ण के दर्शन करा.
Please give us darshan of Krishna once to us also.
मधुमंगल ऐसे सुंदर जो है
Madhumangal,
है, ए, मधुमंगल कर कृष्ण के जो है गोपू बना दी.
he made Krishna
और ऐसे
gopi
लोट पोट खाने लगे.
and he started to roll on the
ए,
ground.
गोपियों, तुम तो
The
हर रोज
gopis,
कृष्ण के साथ मिलते रहते हो. है?
every day you are
अब एक
meeting
बार
with
गोपी-
Krishna.
कृष्ण के दर्शन करा दो.
Please make us, let us have darshan of Krishna once. Then gopi again and again started to roll on the ground.
और ऐसे बोले, ये मैं
And like
रह
this,
सकता हूँ.
I cannot live
कृष्ण,
without
मैं
you.
बहुत दूर गांव से आई
I came from very far away village.
है? श्यामा गोपी. हाँ.
Shama
मैं
Gopi.
श्यामा गोपी हूँ.
I am Shama
मैं बहुत
Gopi.
दूर से गांव से आई हूँ. ये मुझे पता चला ये तुम लोग के साथ कृष्ण
Found out that Krishna stays with you.
ऐसे लोटपोट जब खाने
Let me have his darshan once. Rolling on the ground. Then Lalita Devi said,
है, ये राधे एक
Radhe, do one thing.
यार, तुम्हारे पास तो बंसी है ही.
You have the flute,
एक
right?
काम करो.
Do one
ये
thing.
जो नई जो गोपी आई है,
This new gopi
इसे
that has
तुम्हें,
come,
कृष्ण के रूप धारण कर लो.
manifest the form of Krishna, hold the flute and take,
और ये से दर्शन हो जाएगा. ये बेचारा
and then she will take darshan and this person will be pacified. Saying this, Lalita Devi saying this, Srimati Radhika,
बंसी दे करके ऐसे खड़े हो गए.
she grabbed the flute and in Krishna's form she stood like a three-venfold
और
form.
वो जो गोपी
Very beautiful. And
कौन गोपी थी?
that gopi disguised, Krishna disguised as gopi, and she was like, wow, very nice, very nice. I've never seen Krishna like this. Wow, very nice.
खाते खाते
Rolling on the ground, quickly, she rolled, and snatched the flute from Srimati Radhika.
बंसी ले ले बोलो वृंदावन
Jai Lal ki.
ये मेरा बंसी दे दो.
Give my flute back.
सारी गोपियां ने
All the
कृष्ण को
gopis,
पकड़ लिया.
they caught Krishna
करके बोले,
and they said,
ये देखो,
look,
तुम तो इसके बंसी दे दिया, हमारी राधा जी के जो है मुद्रिका दे दो.
now you have taken the flute, please return back the ring of Srimati Radhika.
फिर कृष्ण
Then
ने क्या की?
Krishna, what did he do?
मुद्रिका
He
राधा जी को दिया.
returned the
वो फिर बंसी
So-
दे दिया. हैं, कृष्ण के पास बंसी आ गया.
Krishna got the flute and Srimati Radhika returned back the ring of Srimati Radhika.
फिर दोनों जुगल
Then the divine conjugal couple, they got together and everyone did their aarti. Very, very beautiful. Krishna's pastimes are just like this.
अनेक पुराण में कथा है.
In many Puranas, kathas are there.
लीला कथा तो बहुत.
Leela kathas are there.
करने वाले जो है नाटक करने वाले उसके थोड़ा बहुत और भी
Hmm.
जोड़ देते हैं 10 मिनट 3 घंटा उसके करना है ना.
So those who do drama and those who make television, they add many things
और ये लीला करते हैं
and they manipulate to create
लीला जो है कि
entertainment.
कम से कम
So
2 घंटे
anyways,
कराते हैं। अनेकों जो है वो
there are many they explain many things they say
करा देते हैं। लोगों के मनोरंजन
to
करा देते हैं।
create entertainment in people. Otherwise people, how will they sit for 2 hours?
तो पैसा उसकी
Then how will they earn money?
वो भी अनेक प्रकार करते हैं पैसा
So they are doing many things like offer donation.
वो वेट कराते हैं कि नहीं बीच में ऐसे
In the middle they will manifest pastime like this, then you have to offer donation. Then they will come holding a bowl in front of you. Have you seen Radha Krishna? They are doing drama theater. They put and then
और कहते हैं सबके पैसा चढ़ाओ
and they're saying, oh, everybody give donation 10,000 rupees. They collect like this because this is their source of income.
आजीविका है हाँ उसके
This is their source of income.
थोड़ी है कथा सुना दिया
It's not my source of income, so I speak everything katha very quickly, nicely.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल यही कहते हैं राधा कृष्ण ने यही लीला
Why Radha Krishna, this pastime is so confidential. Rasa Vatsalya cannot understand these. So, such beautiful pastimes of Krishna in Vrindavan.
है अरम लीला होती
So
है।
sweet.
वंशी चोरी लीला
Stealing of ring of Srimati Radhika, stealing of flute. So beautiful pastimes these are.
वाटर स्पोर्टिंग
Water sporting, boat pastimes, Nauka Vihar,
है ये समझते जो अनेक
Mansi Ganga, all these are so beautiful pastimes.
ये लोग तो क्या दिखा है वो दिखा कि नहीं कहाँ पर दिखा रहा है वृंदावन में
In Vrindavan,
में जो रासमंडल
the Rasmandal.
रासमंडल कहाँ होता है जानते
Where is the Rasmandal, you know?
हैं? ये हम लोग जो जाते हैं क्या बोले
When we go to this place, what is it?
अरे परिक्रमा मार्ग मैं सुनाता हूँ
I will tell you.
ये राधा दामोदर टेम्पल है
In Radha Damodar temple, straight you go from there.
चले जाओ वहाँ पर
Then,
जो है वो एक कोने में
on the corner, there is a place.
वो हाँ वहाँ पर जो है बेसिकली कार्तिक महीने
Especially in the month of Kartik, every time Ras Leela is there.
देखा मैंने
Have you seen?
पहले हैं?
They perform Ras Leela.
Yeah, yeah. So
They
like
perform
when you
Ras
go
Leela.
towards the Yamuna from the Magda.
मुझे सारे पता है हैं? महाप्रभु की लीला वो दूसरी वो नहीं पहले नहीं करते थे
Before people did not used to, but these days they are doing.
अधिक रूप में जो है
Many people they are doing this,
और विशेष करके
and especially
वो जो हितहरि वंश
in the
जो है,
Hithari Vansha,
वो राधा कृष्ण की जो है वो मिलन लीला दिखाते
they show the meeting pastime of Radha and Krishna. They don't show the separation moods. So very nice pastimes in Vrindavan. They are taking from this scripture, that scripture, and connect everything, and they create a script for 3 hours, 4 hours.
हम जो कहा था वो तो केवल
What I told, I just have to explain what short scripture,
और
and I
उसके बुलाते
explain.
हैं
They make people cry, they do kirtan.
करते हैं ना आप उसमें देखोगे तो आपके
You see
3 घंटे कब आपके पता चलेगा।
How fast 3 hours will pass, you won't even know. And you will cry if you see them.
आप पैसे कहाँ से देंगे?
If you won't cry, how will you give money then? You won't give money if they don't make you cry,
है
right?
कि नहीं है?
True or not?
किंतु
So
कथा
paying
जो
for
है वो नहीं
emotion.
होता
So katha is small,
है।
little bit.
कथा जो है वास्तव में
Katha in reality is just 20 minutes katha.
और उसके विस्तार रूप में
And they expand it and saying many things in middle for entertainment purposes, and then they present it.
है? वैसे ही है एक्चुअली उससे और कुछ कथा जोड़ देते हैं।
They add other
हम तो
kathas.
बंगाल
In
में
Bengal,
होता है, उसे बंगला में होता था।
in Bangla it was there.
कहा जाता है?
It is called,
अरे मैं भूल गया।
lest I forget.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कुंज लीला कहा जाता है।
Kunjalila.
कुंज लीला होता है इसमें। है? ये सही रात जो दूसरी
In Bengal, they are showing different things here. The name is different, but the thing is the same.
मैं जब छोटा-छोटा
When I was small,
रात भर वहीं पर चले जाते।
all night I used to go and see these.
बिल्कुल सुबह के समय
And early in the morning I used to come and sleep and then go to school. Nobody even knew that I was going there.
आज में
When I was small, I was doing like this.
देखने में इतना आनंद होता
So bliss was coming to witness that. So much bliss used to come.
है। रात 11 बजे से
Around 11 to
2 बजे तक
2 a.m. 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. in Bengal. I used to go watch and then come sleep and then go to school. Kunjalila.
है। वो सब ज्यादातर उधर बंगाल में होता है।
In Bengal,
चंडीदास
Vidyapati Chandidas poems
कीर्तन आदि करते
are doing kirtan from them. They used to make everyone cry.
हैं। दिवाली भी करते हैं।
The people here, they also doing same pastime. But it's the same.
से जोड़ करके
They are connecting many pastimes and then presenting
संगीत आदि देते हैं।
with the music. They're all in Bengal also. They give music, but
वो संगीत ये होता है उल्टा पुल्टा नहीं करते।
they are not manipulating it. They are expressing the perfect mood of Vidyapati Chandidas in Bengal.
विद्यापति चंडीदास के बारे में भी ज्ञान है, आप उसको देखो ना।
If you read Vidyapati Chandidas books, you can see they are expressing properly. Here in North India, they are mix many things and manipulate little bit. These days,
पैसा कमाने कमर्शियल,
it is just commercial business these days. At that time, Bengal, they did not used to charge any money.
वो बिल्कुल पैसा नहीं, बिना पैसे से
Without money, they used to express their art.
वो अपने एडवर्टाइज करते हैं,
They were doing like public advertisement. Anyway, so
उसके लिए पैसा देना पड़ता है। जैसे
if someone organize their event and you invite them, then they charge money.
है, वो उसके लिए पैसा देते हैं। नहीं तो आप
Otherwise,
अपने जो कराते हैं
what you are doing
हैं, कोई जो एक कमिटी रहती है,
in your own events, if you invite to them, they will charge money.
बोलो वृंदावन लाल की जय, जय